Hey guys, it is Thursday morning here in the Philippines, and as promised, we're going to keep bringing you videos every day up until Christmas Day. So today what we're doing is we're going to unbox an oldie, but a pretty good one. Actually, it's gained popularity over the past couple of years. It's a 2019 car culture release in the Silhouette series, and it is your RWB Porsche 930. And we've had this one for a while, and because it's got a price tag on it and the blister is cracked on the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and rip it open for you guys today so we can take a close-up look at this car. Used to have a bunch of these. I wish I still had all of them. This is actually a pretty cool series. Let me turn this around. I'm trying to hold the camera stand up a little higher because it doesn't reach as high as I wanted it, so you can see the whole card. But anyways, as you can see, it's a pretty cool set. The Greenwood Vet was cool, and then the Skyline and the RWB Porsche. The Monza and the 935 Porsche were okay, but the other three are my favorites. Actually, the RWB followed by the Greenwood are actually my two favorites. The Skyline would be third, but the R30 Silhouette is best done by Tamika in all reality. So anyways, let's get this guy off the card and look at him. So, and I brought out the old garage to put the Porsche next to, and I've already popped this loose, but as you can see, as I was mentioning, the blister is cracked. So really, it's an opener. So anyways, I still may try to pick up a couple more of these because they're still kind of reasonable here in the Philippines, but they're kind of a little bit overpriced here as well as in the States, in my opinion. But yeah, they're about 15 to 20 bucks each here. And I know in the States they're like 25 to 30 bucks each now. And even loose, they're going for like 20 or 25 in the States. And here, I think they're going for like 10 to 15 if they're loose. But it is a sweet looking car. Really cool casting. Love the Lexan side windows with the sliding glass. And then they did cast in the mirrors on the body, which is cool. The really big well-tail wing, almost like a double wing, I would call it. And then the very wide flares, the black six spokes with the skinnies in the front and the wides in the back. But there is a variant of this car where it had the deep dishes all the way around. So that is, I don't know if it was a variant or error, I would call it. But yeah, that was one that popped up that people were making videos on back in 2019. Nice detail with the headlight tampos, the hood pins, or on this car it would be trunk pins. The Porsche emblem is there. And then you have your marker lights in the front bumper. The rivets in the front valence and such, which is really cool. Rivets and the recesses for the rivets on the front flares. Really, really cool. The raw welt on the rocker. And then the riveted in Lexan windows, which is really sweet. And once again, the sliding window is open on both sides. And then the chrome lip on the wheels looks really good. Then turning him around, very nice RWB across the rear end with a detailed taillight tampo. No rear bumper cover with the engine exposed, and which would be like the turbo pipes and such. Metal on metal, and the base is done in like a graphite kind of gray color. And as you can see, the copyright 2018, which would have made this like a 2019 release. Same year they came out with the RLC release one, which the RLC release one is a little bit more extravagant with the opening doors and rear deck. Really cool casting, but this one I can settle for. Wish I still had the Team Transporter in purple. As I mentioned, I didn't really want to get back into collecting. I just wanted to keep getting a few Dodges here and there. But After seeing some of the European exotics from Hot Wheels, like the Countach that I unboxed from Leno's Garage, then the new ones I have from Mini GT and such coming up this week. Or that I already had come up, I'm sorry, and a couple more. The ones I just did are more American and JDM, but I do have a couple Euro cars coming up from them, and they're absolutely beautiful. So it's really hard not to collect again, and stay only with Dodge. So I may have to venture out and get a few Euro and JDM cars again. A lot of stuff I do buy and make videos on, I'm not keeping long term, but some of it I may. Like this guy's been with me for a little while. I think I'm going to go ahead and hang on to him and such. And we have the roof Porsche coming up tomorrow from Mini GT. So tune back in for that. It's another Porsche day. So really sweet car. Looks good sitting next to this old barn dial and such. I need to fix my windows and put the slats back in. But yeah, still yet looks really cool with this car sitting there. And tomorrow I think I'll bring it back out for the roof unboxing. So make sure you tune back in for that, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of a classic. So enjoy your Thursday, and I will be back tomorrow, December 23rd. We're getting closer to Christmas, guys.